Acid reflux, a burning sensation in the chest that millions of people struggle with daily. It's uncomfortable, frustrating, and for many, it seems like there's no lasting relief in sight. But what if we told you there's a natural, science-backed way to finally rid yourself of acid reflux? Today on Natural Remedies, we discover that acid reflux involves stomach acid traveling upward into the esophagus. Probiotics themselves cannot cure it, but for a lot of people, probiotics have helped remove acid reflux symptoms and removed some of the side effects of prescription treatments such as Omeprazole. NHS literature states that taking Omeprazole for more than a year may increase your chances of certain side effects, including bone fractures, gut infections, and vitamin B12 deficiency. Symptoms include feeling very tired, a sore and red tongue, mouth ulcers, and pins and needles. Today we're looking at probiotics, the secret weapon for lasting digestive relief, so let's make a start, shall we? At the root of acid reflux is an imbalance in your digestive system. Your gut is home to billions of microorganisms, known collectively as the gut microbiome. When this delicate ecosystem falls out of balance, often from poor diet, stress, or medications, it can lead to a range of digestive problems, including acid reflux. Let's discuss how probiotics work to eliminate acid reflux. Probiotics work by rebalancing your gut's microbiome, creating an environment that supports proper digestion. This means less acid buildup in the stomach, reduced inflammation, and a lower likelihood of acid reflux symptoms. Studies have shown that taking probiotic supplements can reduce the frequency and severity of acid reflux over time. Benefits of a healthy gut. A healthy gut does more than just prevent acid reflux. It improves your immune system, helps you absorb nutrients more efficiently, and even boosts your mood and energy levels. By maintaining a balanced microbiome with probiotics, you not only eliminate acid reflux but also support your overall health. So, how to add probiotics to your daily routine, you might ask? Well, you can easily add probiotics to your diet through fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or by taking high-quality probiotic supplements. Look for products with strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, which are particularly effective in supporting digestive health. If you're tired of living with acid reflux, it's time to consider probiotics as your long-term chemical-free solution. By healing your gut, probiotics offer a natural, lasting relief from heartburn and digestive discomfort. For more health tips and natural remedies, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this short but very important film. We hope you take something from it. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.